think that one's yours, Ava.
That,
Hey, let Elle get hers.
This is your stuff right here. That one.
that's helping her.
Okay.
I have to feed a pom-pom.
What?
Kind of this. Out in the corner, out.
Whoa.
Mine.
Look here.
Mama. Truck.
Wow.
Again. Always want to get in the truck. Well, now I have 1 million and 52 Sophia cartons.
Wow.
Ooh, I have one. I never had before.
Well,
It's
get,
a workbook one. Workbook.
gonna just go ahead and get into it.
Workbook, Mama, workbook. Workbook, Mommy.
The princess one.
Cool.
But it's not the.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
look in the
fun.
back.
When you grab it, did you have a bite? Did you have one bite?
I have
Did you
one.
have one bite?
What is this? Well, I didn't know what it is.
What is it? Looks like a jump rope.
Did you bite?
Open it.
Let Daddy do it.
Oh, that's cool.
Don't have one of those. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What is?
It fought off.
We'll fix it.
Yeah.
Ew. Really? Let's don't.
What? Are you open this one? Are you open this, Mama?
We will. Keep looking. See what you got.
Oh, wait. I have a lemon.
There you go.
And it's a jump anyway.
It is a jump rope.
And one thing.
How do you do a jump rope?
And so one thing.
How do you do it?
I don't know how to do it. Mommy, this, that.
Want me to dish that?
Ooh! Ducky thingy.
What else you get, Elle? Look in your basket.
What's that?
Mama.
What?
Didn't have one.
No.
Does she?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, yeah.
How can you do put this and I can use this one?
You want to put the bunny in here? Put the bunny in there. Put the
Another
chocolate.
one?
The other one. Put the chocolate bunny in here.
That's
No, put this one and stay out here. Here.
Ooh.
Take one more bite.
Ooh. I got a couple stuff. I get something.
Mmm.
This is a lot of stuff.
Fun.
Ooh, I have a movie. Ooh, I have a movie that I not have.
That's like our storybook. That'd be fun to watch. Want to open this too?
Tea party.
Yeah.
Tea party princess.
Ooh.
Daddy, look. Daddy, look, Daddy. Look. Another one of these. Look, Daddy. I've been wanting these thingies.
Mmm.
Sweet.
Yes.
Can you eat that, Elle? That's a little big. Hmm?
Gone.
Chew it up. I didn't think about.
More chalk. Polka dot chalk.
Ooh, those are pretty.
Pretty chalk. Daddy, pretty chalk. Lola. Daddy, Lola.
Aurora?
And that's all I got.
Wow.
I got a lot of stuff. Elle got Malin and Pony and Care Bears.
You get more books? I love this. Water bottle. Water bottle.
She got mini water bottle.
Mini.
Oh, let me see that. Let me see that.
I believe you need some water right now.
She got mini. My that's it.
You want to help Elle? She's.
Elle got a movie too. Oh, let me get this.
Bunny?
Does he same movie with me. Ooh, look. We got.
Ooh.
I got Pikachu got stripes. Look. I know we're going to get to fight. Buddy. Care Bear. Okay. Grab yours. Ooh, look that I have. Bullies.
Whoa.
It's like it. Look, this is it's two different stories. This is Tea Party and this is Playing the